Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Cash App direct deposit not working. So first of all, you need to completely restart mobile data on your device. Swipe down from the top right of the screen to open up the control center. Over here, in the top left, you'll see a circular icon that looks like an antenna with radio waves around it. And if this icon is green, that means cellular data is turned on. So now what you need to do is tap on this icon to completely turn off your cellular data. Wait for around 5 to 10 seconds, and then again tap on this data icon to turn it back on. But if Cash App Direct Deposit's still not working, then you need to clear app cache. Go to your device settings and then scroll all the way down to General and tap on it. Then tap on iPhone Storage. From here, search for the Cash App and then tap on it. Once you're on this screen, you need to tap on Offload App. Tap again to confirm. It'll take a bit for processing, and then a reinstall button will show up. Simply tap on it to reinstall the app. But if Cash App Direct Deposit's still not working, then you need to contact customer support officials. Open up Cash App on your device and then tap on this profile icon in the top right corner. From here, you need to scroll down and tap on Support. Over here, you need to tap on something else. Once you're on this screen, scroll down and tap on Cash Card. Again, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Contact Support, and then click on Not About a Transaction right over here. Once you're on this screen, tap on Chat at the bottom to contact Customer Support Official. Now briefly explain the issue to the Cash App representative. You can type something along the lines of, "Hi Paul, from the past few days, I have been unable to receive direct deposits to my Cash App account. Despite numerous attempts and ensuring that all the necessary details were correctly entered, the deposits have not been successful. This has caused me significant inconvenience as I rely on this feature for my salary deposits. I have also checked with my bank and employer, and they confirmed that there are no issues on their end. If there's any additional steps I need to follow to fix this issue, please let me know." Hopefully, the Cash App representative will help you fix Cash App Direct Deposit not working. And if they did, then make sure you give it a thumbs up to see more videos like this. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.